Hey guys, Eric here. Thanks for drawing with me today. So today I'm going to show you how to draw an electric guitar. And to be more precise, it's actually a Fender Stratocaster, one of the most famous guitars ever. To start, we need to draw the neck of the guitar. Notice how it's thicker at the bottom? Closed off the thinner end, and the thicker end, a little bit rounded, and now we're going to make the head of the guitar. I've made curves out from each side, and now I'm going to make a straight line, round it out, and then bring your line back to meet your other curve. Now that we've already drawn the neck and the head, we need to draw the body of the guitar. Notice where I started my curving shape. Now just follow along as best you can. Notice how I'm starting this one slightly lower, and it's going to be just a little bit smaller than the other. Looking good, guys, and remember, if I'm going too fast for you, just pause. Notice here how I'm using the neck of the guitar to line up where the bridge is going to go? It's just going to be a simple rectangle. And now we're going to add in our pickguard. It sort of follows the shape of the guitar, but just pay attention. And now for this side of the pickguard, it's going to really closely follow the shape of the guitar. And for this part, it's going to extend down a little bit further and then connect. And to make the guitar's jack, just start with an oval and put sort of a half circle shape inside. And now we're going to add our guitar's pickups. These are how the guitar captures the vibration of the string and turns it into an electronic signal. Notice how my first pickup is at an angle and the other two are straight. Looking good so far, guys. We're almost there. And now we're going to add the tuning keys. Your typical guitar has 6 strings, so 6 circles. And then 6 more corresponding dots on the neck. Nice! Now let's just add some lines to the bridge to give it a little detail. And we're ready to move on to... what are these called? Well, whatever they're called, that's where the guitar strap attaches. Now let's give our guitar 3 knobs. And there you have it, you've drawn an electric guitar. But stick around because I'm going to show you the best way to color it in and how to make Fender's famous sunburst finish. And if you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Did you know the original Stratocaster was introduced in 1954? That's almost 70 years ago. And that in 1965, Fender was bought by CBS. Yeah, the TV channel. Now to start that famous sunburst pattern. We're going to start with light in the middle, work our way to a little bit darker orange, and then finally to a brownish black. And remember to go back with your lighter shade to help blend. A lot of famous guitarists have favorite guitars, and they even give them nicknames. Here's Eric Clapton with one of his guitars he nicknamed Brownie. Very creative, Eric. Now I'm using black to fill in the very darkest part of the sunburst finish. Then I'll use brown to help blend it in. We're looking really good. There's not much more to add. We just need to add on the strings, put some dots on the pickups, and maybe a logo on the headstock. There we go. How much do you think a brand new Stratocaster costs? A brand new American vintage Strat will set you back $2,200. And some famous guitars like Jimi Hendrix have been auctioned for over $1 million. But you can find them for a couple $100s. And now I've just added my white highlights to make it look glossy. And we're pretty much done. And in just a second, I'll show you where you can send us pictures of your completed drawings. We'd love to see them. And we may even feature you in our next video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, peace!